If you are in class 11th and thinking about starting your IP MAT preparation, here's the truth. Starting in 11th can be a smart move, but only under the right conditions. Otherwise, it will become a hype very quickly. And in this video, we will be breaking this down simply and slowly for you all. Now, part 1, we will be discussing what actually matters for IP MAT. See, IP MAT doesn't reward last minute hustle, it rewards two things. First, strong basics in quant. Yes, quant is important. And second, consistent reading and reasoning ability. And both of these points take time to build. Not pressure, but time. This is why 11th mein start karna can be considered as an advantage. Now, let's discuss where 11th start genuinely help. Well, these are the three areas where early preparation will give you a real edge, an extra edge, an X factor. The first, रीडिंग. सी आरसी इम्प्रूवमेंट इज स्लो. आप एक दिन में ही एकदम से अपना आरसी नहीं अच्छा कर सकते. यू नीड मंथ्स ऑफ रीडिंग एक्सपोजर एंड जस्ट नॉट इंटेंस क्लासेस. मोस्ट 12th starters actually struggle here because they try to fix reading in few weeks only. Second is quant foundation. सी 11 जो है आपको एक ब्रीदिंग स्पेस देता है टू फिक्स योर बेसिक्स. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कंसेप्ट्स विदाउट रशिंग थ्रू चैप्टर्स, स्पेशली फॉर दोज हु आर फ्रॉम नॉन मैथ बैकग्राउंड. थर्ड इज रिड्यूस्ड प्रेशर इन 12th. मानो या ना मानो 12th भी इक्वली ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो जब बोर्ड, स्कूल प्रोजेक्ट्स और एंट्रेंस प्रेप ओवरलैप करती है, late starters will feel the heat, but you won't if you start in 11th, if you enter 12th with a strong base and lower strength. So these were the three advantages which are real and these are just not the hype. अब आ जाते हैं एक्चुअल बात पे. क्या 11th में स्टार्ट करना एक्चुअल में एक हाइप है? सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, इफ यू थिंक स्टार्टिंग अर्ली मीन्स लॉन्ग आवर्स, डेली क्लासेस या फुल फ्लेजेड कोचिंग, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली वेयर इट ऑल गोज रॉन्ग. Most of the class 12th graders do this heavily. So if you chase intensity instead of consistency, you will definitely burn out, and this is the part nobody admits. ज़्यादातर जो early starters होते हैं, they fail because of this reason only. So then what is the right way to start in 11th? See, again, a smart early start has three elements. First is light pace. Second is fixed weekly touch points. And third, zero weekday pressure. आपको डेली कोचिंग की या you don't need mocks every week. Again, it depends person to person. All you need is structure that moves according to you. It can be slow and steady or as you like it. Now, for those of you who want weekend first formats, they actually work very well for class 11 students. Why? They give consistency without disturbing school and they build the skills that actually need time. But again, understand this clearly. Students who want faster movement या जो already comfortable है with the academic load, right? जो math background के हैं या जिनका RC भी अच्छा है, they can actually go for weekday structures. लेकिन दोनों ही format work करते हैं. You have to actually decide your routine. So the final answer is 11th start a smart move or hype? Well, it's a smart move if done with the right structure. It becomes hype if you copy someone else's pace or force intensity in class 11th. Start early only if it helps you stay consistent and not overwhelmed. And if you are someone जिनको अपना base बनाना है, जिन्हें अभी भी अपनी foundation strong करनी है, it can be in RC, it can be in logical or it can be in quant, LPT has a perfect solution for you all, as we have a dedicated weekend batch IP MAT 2027 के लिए. So if you want to know about this weekend batch, give us a call on this number or you can visit on our website and know everything in detail about this batch. I hope this video was helpful. कुछ doubt हो, कुछ clarity चाहिए तो बिंदास comment करो.